my name's Eddie, and welcome to the kitchen.
That's been hard to me.
It is hard, isn't it?
Yeah, it's hard to me, yes.
That's okay, you're
That's good.
great.
Let's do 2 parts.
Okay.
Say, my name's Eddie,
My name is Eddie.
and welcome.
Welcome to the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen.
Hey, welcome to Cakes and Conversations. Today you get to meet my good friend Eddie. Eddie, what do you want to tell the people?
I say, welcome to the show of Andy and Eddie.
Andy and Eddie, welcome to the show.
My name is Eddie Griffin. I am 37. I've been born called Las Vegas.
You were born in Las Vegas?
Yeah.
Oh man, you ever been back to Las Vegas?
Oh boy, yes.
Hey, today in Cakes and Conversations, my man Eddie is gonna do all things Elvis. He's an Elvis fan.
Mm-hmm.
He loves to dance, he loves to sing Elvis, he's got an Elvis t-shirt, he's even got some Elvis glasses.
But dog time.
What are we gonna make?
Like all that Michael they did make.
Yeah, they made one too. They were on the show, Michael and Owen.
Yeah.
Is yours gonna be better?
Yes.
Yeah, it's called Trash Talking in the Kitchen.
That's right.
That's right, we'll
That's
see you
right.
in the kitchen.
Take a watch. That's right.
First thing we need is butter.
Yeah.
I need you to cut 4 tablespoons of butter.
Okay.
Can you do that for me?
Yeah, sure.
Do you know where to cut it?
Yes, I know how to cut it.
Okay, that's 1.
This one is 2.
Yep,
This is 3.
right.
This is 4.
There you go, cut it, man. We're gonna throw that into the bowl. We're gonna,
All right.
okay, you feel good
Got it.
about that.
Yeah. Here you go.
All right, you wanna unwrap that and throw it in the bowl?
Yeah, sure.
Go for it. Grab one of those and put it in here.
Okay.
We're gonna throw it in the bowl. We're gonna melt it down. We're gonna add some marshmallows, put in some Rice Krispies, and next thing you know, Elvis, baby. We're gonna get a little like Elvis. Shake it in there like Elvis would, like this. Oh, yeah. What's the temperature have to be for you to wear shorts?
69.
69 degrees?
Please,
Okay.
yeah. We got some brand new boats for sailing.
Who taught you how to sail?
Daddy did.
She did.
Yeah.
Have you ever fallen off the boat?
I did once. I just called freezer wrap
Oh,
stuff.
freezer wraps?
Yes.
And you put them in a microwave?
Yeah.
Would you say you're a microwave warrior?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
Yes, right, yeah.
Yeah. Ladies,
Yeah, right.
if you're looking for a man who knows his way around the kitchen,
That's right.
that's right. But you do have a girlfriend,
Yes.
so don't look hard. Yeah, tell me about your girlfriend.
Well, she's doing good. She's been working hard, like to my jobs.
Yeah, and how long has she been your girlfriend?
Maybe 19 years.
Woo! And what do you get her for her birthday?
I got her some like ring stuff. I make her some like bracelet stuff.
You make them?
Yeah, yes, I do every time.
Yeah, what kind of dates do y'all go on?
Well, we could go out for lunch, or we could go out to bowling stuff. So,
Do you beat her at bowling or does she beat you?
I don't know.
That's a smart answer, Eddie.
Yes, right, yeah.
All right. So now what we're going to do is we want to make sure that each one of them is covered in butter.
Okay.
Do you want me to show you how to do it?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So what I like to do is get my hands in here and mix them all up like this. The butter's a little bit warm.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Feels
That's
a little
right.
bit like Christmas morning.
Oh yes, right like that.
Yeah, get in there and mix those things up.
Okay. Okay, because I do my way.
Yeah?
Because I do like this. I do like it's like smooth way. Do this right and do like this. This would be like that. That'd be good.
This is great, man. You look like you've done this before.
Yeah.
You're like an expert.
Yeah, that's right.
Would you say you're the crispy king?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah.
What are some other things you like to do?
Bowling.
What's your best score?
I think might be like, is it called 105?
You got 105?
Yeah.
Do you use the bumpers?
No.
Yeah. What else?
Tennis.
Oh, tell me about tennis.
Marco and me, we have to be coaches now.
Oh, you get to be a coach now?
Yeah.
What does a coach do?
I teach him to play tennis.
So now we've got our marshmallows melted down. You want to grab some Rice Krispies, open that up, and pour them in?
Yeah, sure. It's time for this.
It is time for this. That's probably good right there, and then we'll get it started. Now the bowl might be a little hot down here, so we keep our hands up and spin it here.
Yeah. Okay, so I do this like, because I'm gonna do my way, but we can do tail round, but so we do make this right, we do this right.
It's looking good.
Oh yeah, it is, yeah.
Now you're in the Rotary.
I've been a president from years, like last year, from this year.
Do y'all do service projects?
Oh yes, we do.
Tell me about your service projects.
Okay, so we do we do like Christmas stuff, and we get called food bank every year.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do, Eddie. We're gonna put a little bit of butter on our hands like this. It's like doing soap, but you don't need to do the back of your hands. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's like a Karate Kid.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Miyagi when he does this thing.
Yeah, it's a roll. Okay.
You like Karate Kid?
Oh yeah.
Sweep the leg, Johnny.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
It's fine.
missed it on that one. Tell me about your job.
Okay, my job is called caucus. I've been there like 14 years. I'm gonna do bag first. It'd be good, and then I get some cards. Go outside.
What makes a good bagger?
Real bit nice and neat. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you back, sir? Say, yeah, sure, it's okay.
We want to make this into an oval, kind of like an egg shape.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You're making Mr. Miyagi sounds while you're doing it.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. I like what you got working on there.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Did you want to give it a shot?
I did.
Eddie.
I did.
You don't even want to try it?
Oh yeah, I made it once.
Okay, just once. Just a little baby try.
Baby, try.
Mine's all over the place. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, Eddie.
Hey!
How are you, buddy?
Old friends me now from work. Been like 14 years. See this? I go there and tell me be like him.
I love that.
So I must gotta tell you about this guy. You go to that camp?
Yes.
Yes, right.
So crazy.
Yeah, it's very crazy. We go to restaurant. And I'm gonna say this.
You're gonna be a movie star.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's make Elvis's hair.
Oh yeah.
What's his hair look like?
This is like black here.
Okay.
But
I hear that Elvis used to like peanut butter and banana sandwiches. Is that true?
yeah, it's true.
Are you gonna say it's true no matter what I say just because you're a good friend?
Yes, I'll be a good kind of friend.
That's what I thought. So if you're looking for a really good friend, you need to be friends with Eddie.
Yeah, it's right.
Yeah.
It's right. It's true.
That's true, because Eddie, do you like everybody?
Yes, I do.
All right, best dance move, go right now. Oh yeah, that's a good dance move. Let's throw that in the microwave.
All right.
You got it from here. You don't need me. When you wake up in the morning, what do you do?
Because I'm gonna do bikes every time.
You get on the bike?
Yeah.
Okay, and what else do you do?
After my bike get done, I went to watch some TV stuff.
What kind of things can you cook in the kitchen?
Well, okay, so I get some perfect wraps. We do like.
What else?
And I'm making some. I have to make some my own coffee stuff.
So at this point, I'm realizing that many of our friends who are on the show have seen the show. And one of the coolest parts is not only have they seen the show, they've been learning from their experience. And so they enter the kitchen with much more courage. And this courage has allowed them to try things I think personally they wouldn't have tried beforehand. They might have been hesitant to try. But if you'll notice, right now, Eddie went back, took the butter, started the microwave, and I'm not really sure how long you set it for.
Yep.
Do you even know?
Yes, I know.
How long?
I'll put this one. I'll put this poem again for 1 to 5 minutes, and we make it to start that, do like that.
Yeah.
To be cooking.
That's good. So he went ahead and put it. Where'd you get that time? Why'd you decide on 1 minute and 25 seconds?
Because I guess like boxes of wraps.
Okay,
Stuff.
on the wraps, that's how long you put it in for?
Yeah.
Okay, great. If you have friends who have a whole bunch of different abilities and they want to learn to cook and work in the kitchen, really a microwave's a great place to start.
Yes.
There's some things we shouldn't put in the microwave.
Yes, right.
Yeah, because maybe they might be a little bit dangerous.
Yes,
but for the most part, one of the reasons we work in the microwave is personal preference.
Yes, right.
Personal preference.
Yeah.
And also because I think that when you work with a microwave, it crosses over all abilities.
Yes. Yeah.
Also, if you're looking for a hype man, you need an Ed in your life because I feel like no matter what I've said right now, he's been supporting me.
Yes, right.
You feel good about what's happening?
Yes, I do.
You feel good about being a hype man?
Honey? Yes, I do.
Am I the best looking man you've ever seen?
Yes, it'll be him. Because I know him like a long time.
You know, he didn't answer the question. He didn't answer the question, but he still hyped me up. I still feel good about it.
Yes, right. That's true.
All right, bring it in right here.
Okay.
You want to get that out of the microwave?
Yeah, sure.
I don't even know if it melted. Let's give it a shot. What is love?
Our love is right here. Because actually, God knows us. Like it with me, we've been dating for years, so we did something good for us every time.
What does love feel like?
It'd be like, we can do like this or do that. So yeah, because we do kiss like one time.
Ooh, you did, huh?
Yeah. Next, I'll put this on this and put this in here.
Want some help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here you go. Now I get this. Put that on that.
Okay, we do that, but remember we
Yeah.
mix them up first?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to show them?
Yeah.
Tell them what we're doing.
Okay, I'll show you about this. We can do it like this, but and do again. So we do push this like that.
Look at the camera and tell them.
Yeah, because we do this every time. So we do push this down a little bit more, but it'd be good. It'd be nice and cool. But so that should be great.
How's it feel today?
I feel like good today.
You're feeling good?
Yeah.
Like you should. You ever took a walk around the neighborhood?
I did. I did like 10 times.
10 times. He's feeling blessed.
Yes, right.
Would you say you're friendly,
Yeah, I've been feeling every time.
loving,
Loving too, yes.
happy,
Happy, yes.
scared,
Still, no.
angry,
Angry, no.
sad,
Sad, no.
excited,
Yeah, that is, yeah.
a dancer,
Oh, yes, I've been dancing every time.
a singer,
Singer too, yes.
a good friend?
Yes, it'd be a good time for us, yeah. So we do this again.
That's right. We're going to do this again, but this time we need black, so we're going to add some food coloring.
Yes, right.
Do you want me to squirt it in or do you want to?
Well, you can do it.
You want me to do it? Okay,
Yeah.
so we're doing actually some gel, and that's actually a lot. But Elvis has really dark hair.
Yes, right. Yeah.
So right now what I want you to do is mix that up.
Mix this up.
Yep, go for it.
Okay.
Yes. Be generous.
Okay.
Oh yeah, keep going. 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 Oh, that's probably good. That's probably good.
Yeah.
If the Power Rangers and the Ninja Turtles fought each other, who would win?
Lakers are.
What is your favorite day of the year?
Christmas.
Does your girlfriend like your beard?
No.
No.
No, she did not know that. I do taste this one right here.
Just that piece right there?
Yeah.
All right.
And to do taste one, it's like, it's good.
I don't know if you're really watching at home, but I feel like he said it was good before it actually touched his tongue. You need an Eddie in your kitchen. You an amateur in the kitchen, you a beginner, you trying some new things.
Yeah.
Maybe you're new in marriage.
Yes, right.
And you
that's
decide you're gonna make dinner for you and your husband or you and your wife. And maybe you try crab meat or something like that.
That's right.
And it doesn't turn out so great.
Yeah, that's
I don't know, that might have happened in my marriage. I don't know. But maybe it doesn't turn out great. You know what you need? Invite Eddie over, because when Eddie eats it, what are you gonna say?
Say hi.
That's called redirection.
That's
That's
right.
called redirection.
Yeah, that's right.
Well played.
That's right.
Hey, if you're feeling good at home right now and you're feeling
Yeah.
good about my man Eddie,
Yeah.
we want you to hit that like button. What's your favorite Elvis song?
My favorite song is called Buddy. It's called Buddy. Called Buddy Love. Oh, Buddy Love. Buddy Love.
Burning Love.
Yeah.
Are you a hunk of burning love?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. So if you think Eddie's a hunk of burning love, hit that comment section right there. Let him hear from you. Give him a shout out. Maybe tell him your favorite Elvis song. Hit that like button and blow that up for him. If you want more videos that we're doing right here on Cakes and Conversations, like his buddy Michael and Owen and so many others that we've made, you can hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the bell next to it, it'll send you some alerts and let you know that when we're sending out the next video. I'm going to take off enough for his sideburns.
Okay.
And he's got some serious sideburns.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm ready.
Okay, he's ready. We're not playing around in the kitchen, y'all.
Yeah.
All right, Eddie, I think we have way too much here.
Yeah, we do have too much.
Okay, thanks for telling me.
I think, it's good. So, I'll do like this, I'll do like this, I'll do be like this, kind of right here.
You feeling that?
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to put on the sideburn over there.
Right
Make it look
here.
like you think it should look.
Okay.
Boom! Now we're back. Now we know how to do the Elvis cake.
Yeah, that's right. Think about it.
All right, Eddie, tell them what we did today.
We did make our called Elvis Presley thing, like cake thing.
Did you like the interview part?
People, yeah.
Did you just like hanging out in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Did you like doing elbow bumps?
Yeah.
Did you like everything?
Yeah, I do.
Was this the best day of your life?
Oh, yes.
Hey, listen. This is my man Eddie.
Yep.
Eddie, you killed it today in the kitchen.
Yes, right.
You not only made it an incredible creation, but when you were created, you were like this perfect creation.
Yep.
Yeah, you are.
That's right.
And we believe every creation is beautiful, don't we?
Yes, right.
That's right. And we all deserve to be treated like royalty.
Yes, right.
Yeah, so let's start treating.
That's right.
We'll see you in the kitchen.
That's right. Because I want you to do two eyes. Do one eye.
Okay.
I have one eye.
And I'm Tony with two eyes.
We do to say our words.
We're coming at you up.